Whenever you go for a drive, there is a galaxy of accessories which add to your class and comfort. Be it 3D mats, PVC mats, steering covers, mud flaps or the radio antenna, Jaideep Plastics is a leading name which has been consistently bringing to you such high-caliber products for years, silently traveling with you to enhance your style and comfort quotient. Pocomoco, Cupo and Autotime are the shining brands of the company which have earned laurels to the group. It all began in the year 1984 with the concerted efforts of one man, Mr. R.K. Manucha, who single-handedly brought about a transformation in the auto spares and accessories industry by launching Jaideep Plastics. With the eyes on the next level standards of production, he endeavored to build a castle of dreams.
इस कंपनी को स्टार्ट करने के पीछे एक ही मकसद था कि भारत में एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लाया जाए जिसमें वर्ल्ड क्लास टेक्नोलॉजी और क्वालिटी दोनों हो। आज पूरे भारत में 250 से ज़्यादा हमारे डीलर हैं जिनका विश्वास भरोसा हम पर बना हुआ है। उनके विश्वास भरोसे के कारण ही हम अपने क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बनाए।
With a humble beginning from a small room of 100 square feet and a handful of resources, this company has spread its wings far and wide and is now presently manufacturing world-class auto accessories in 75,000 square feet manufacturing area located at Bhavana Industrial Area, New Delhi. Company initially began with manual type injection molding, now boasts of over 10 fully automatic injection molding machines with a capacity ranging from 250 tons to 550 tons, along with all its auxiliaries. Company also has hydraulic presses, sewings and lamination machines, etc. to bolster its high-in-demand product range manufacturing. Having a sizable infrastructure helps building a grand load of high-class products. However, this all begins with choosing the right raw material. Jaideep Plastics is strongly pillared on the strictest possible quality checks for raw material, and it's sourced from the choicest vendors. To ensure it, the company has 3-tier quality check system in place. Here, each piece is individually checked for all the parameters. The chosen ones are then sent for packing and delivery. Jaideep Plastics has made its indelible mark in the automobile aftermarket segment and is now heading to become an OEM chieftain.
As far as production and technical department are concerned, we follow highly specified industrial norms and safety features. For the smooth flow of operations, started from the procurement of raw material to the finished goods, we have some world-class machinery with automation as well as manual process. We at Jaideep Plastic can rest assured our customer for quality as well as product innovations.
2 state-of-the-art ISO 9001-2008 certified manufacturing units and over 250 dealers over the country ensure a wider outreach of its product range. Jaideep Plastics is well known for its product range, which includes Pocomoco and Cupo 3D car mats. Pioneers in bringing this factor in India, Jaideep Plastics presents Cupo 3D car mats, which are not just durable, long-lasting, stylish, but also comes in customized shapes and sizes for all the cars. A rage amongst the new-gen car riders. Customized tray car mats from Jaideep Plastics come with unique anti-skid features, which is known as Magic Grip. Autotime radio antenna. A car is a closed world. It gets connected when it catches the waves of music, and world inside the sedan gets transformed. The company also offers the complete range of mud flaps for all the cars. Vibrant and sturdy mud flaps add the punctuations to a Dream Pro's vehicle.
In the area of the competitive market, we are more focused to the market research because in order to meet the customer's expectation, We need to know the exact requirement as well as desire of the customers. For that, we constantly take care of our customers' reviews.
Jaideep Plastics, marching ahead with renewed zeal and vigor to create new milestones of success.